How to set up professional Upwork profile. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select your profile from the menu. This is where you will create and customize your professional Upwork profile. Start by adding a professional profile photo. Choose a clear, high-quality headshot where you look approachable and professional. Next, write a strong profile title that reflects your skills and expertise. Keep it concise and relevant to the type of work you want to do. Then write an overview or bio. This is your chance to tell potential clients who you are, what you do, and why they should hire you. Highlight your experience, skills, and what makes you stand out. Keep it clear, engaging, and free of errors. You can also add a portfolio to showcase your previous work and projects. Next, add your work experience and education. Include previous jobs, freelance projects, and degrees or certifications. This helps build credibility with clients. After that, add your skills. Include all relevant skills related to the services you want to offer. Add languages you speak and your hourly rate. Be realistic with your rate based on your skill level and market standards. You can also add testimonials, certifications, and other experience to strengthen your profile. A complete and professional profile improves your chances of getting hired and building client trust on Upwork. Now you know how to set up a professional Upwork profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.